One of the first hurdles you'll have to get over when you start to create videos is the sound of your own voice. To be able to talk to the camera as though it was another person, to be in your own bubble, to not be shy about what you say. You take your videos anywhere. The important thing is to be comfortable where you're taking them. I do a lot of mine when I'm out and about on a walk. Ideas come to mind, I want to talk about them. And I'm quite comfortable talking outside. You may be comfortable sitting in your kitchen or sitting in your garden. The point is, your viewer doesn't really care. They're listening to the message you've got to give. They don't care what your background is. I've done videos on my terrace and I've had all the paraphernalia of the garden around, chairs, tables, umbrellas, all sorts. They don't care. They just want to listen to what you have to say. And if I look back at some of my first videos, yes, they are, how could I say? Are they bad? No. Could they be improved? Yes. Am I better now? Yes, I am much better now. But I will always improve. Unless you're a natural speaker, or you've done acting, you know how to talk and project voice and all those sorts of things. It's all new to all of us. But it's what you're saying that people really want to hear. That's the most important thing. So as you can see in this video, I'm on my way to the supermarket. Had an idea, thought I'd stop, thought I'd talk to you about it. It takes me a few minutes. I've got much more used to doing this over the last year, and I can often just come up with an idea and talk about it. You may like it to be scripted. You may find it easier to write down bullet points, or actually write down what you want to say, put that behind the camera and read it. That's absolutely fine, whatever you're comfortable with. The important thing is get started. Make that first video. It won't be your best. You will make better, you will get better. It probably won't even be your worst. The important thing is you've made the first step. So if you're seriously thinking about making YouTube videos, becoming a YouTuber, as they like to say, get out and try it. You notice the youngsters, they walk around, they're talking to their phones all the time. They are not shy. They're brought up talking to phones and videoing themselves and videoing their friends. It's like a normal part of their life. For us older folk, it's a new thing. It doesn't always feel quite right, but you'll get into it. Get your camera out, and you only need a phone. Start videoing, start taking those first few steps, and you'll find once you've done the first one, the second one comes much easier. Don't be shy. Crack on, get it going. And when you've done your first one, drop a note in my comments and I'll go over and I'll take a look at it. Good luck. Talk to you in the next one.